Hello friends and welcome back to the Technology channel. So friends, should I will talk about Aoostar first Ryzen HX 370 mini PC with flip screen and removable DDR5 memory. So friend, Aoostar has announced G Flip 370 is an upcoming mini PC said to be developed around the Ryzen AI 9HX 370 APU, the AMD latest Strix Point processor with Generation 5 core, means 12 cores and Radeon 890M graphics. And the company given a lot of bullet point about video editing and 3D modeling, but it's hard to believe that this would be done on 5-inch screen that this device has. It has a full HD monitor 920 into 1080p, but a 5-inch, and that's some old smartphone territory, so that would require massive window scaling to show anything to a healthy eye. So friend, in terms of cooling, there is a large area of vapor chamber and there is a single fan on the bottom, and the PC does not have LPDDR5 memory, which is great news for those who want to upgrade less similar and don't want to buy large capacity right away. Most mini PC with the HS370 APU has memory soldered to the board, so this PC gives you flexibility but also reduce speed. Additionally, there is a 2 M.2 PCIe 4.0 slot for storage and sadly no room for any other device. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.